So, as we said in the previous video, now the birds are came back with certain sounds and creating the environment, and now they are going to pop up. They're just doing the aerial survey right now on the field. So they are going to land very soon. They're going to land very soon on the field. So the aerial survey, the sounds that we made few minutes back were kind of threatened for them. But now the sounds that we are making are there is one bird is now landing into the ground and looking at the environment. Soon they are going to land in the field. There is one is already landing, making sure that yes, she just landed, and she's giving some sound. The sound exactly, look at that sound. So this sound exactly is giving a message to the other birds that the environment is safe and you can come back. The other birds are doing the aerial survey to make sure that the snakes and other uh, impactful creatures are not around. So very soon we are going to see all the birds coming back to the field to eat the bugs. So we will post the another video in probably around 45 minutes from now. There are other 3 birds also just landed. Soon we are going to see the field is filled with the birds, and the interesting part is only this field is surrounded by the birds and no other field, though they have the similar kind of the plants available nearby. So this is the way of calling the nature with the sounds and the music, and also the setting up the environment with the positive. Thank you.